Welcome to stemez.com. Mr. Paul Karla is the founder of stemez.com. He will answer for you frequently asked questions about stemez.com. So, Mr. Paul, what is stemez.com?
stemez.com is a free resource with 50,000 problems and solutions for learning and teaching science, technology, engineering and math subjects anytime, anywhere, at your own pace and convenience.
That's great idea. Why did you create stemez.com?
When I was in high school, there was no help available for me to do the home assignments. Therefore, I developed a self-learning program by solving annual exam problems obtained from senior students. The system was so successful that I graduated from high school at the top of my class and obtained admission in electrical engineering at the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. Repeating the learning system, I was the topper in my BTech class and obtained Masters in Electrical Engineering from the Illinois Institute of Technology and a California Professional Engineer's license. Retiring after 50 years as an electrical engineer, I created stemez.com to provide the learning system by solving problems to all students worldwide.
That's quite inspirational. What are the requirements for human learning?
Human learning involves programming the individual's brain. This has to be done by the individual person himself at his own pace and in the proper sequence from simple to complex concepts. Therefore, effective learning requires the individual to program his brain by solving problems for STEM subjects.
Okay. How does solving problems help learning STEM subjects?
Learning by solving problems helps us to focus upon and understand concepts in the textbooks and lectures. The process alters what we remember and changes how we subsequently organize the knowledge in our brain.
Okay. Why are traditional teaching methods in school ineffective?
Individualized learning is not possible in schools with a class size of 40 or more students. If the teacher gives home assignments to the students every day, he does not have time to correct them for each student. Also, the students have no assistance available for completing the home assignments. Therefore, most students need to have private tutors or attend coaching classes to learn STEM subjects and prepare for examinations.
So you are making knowledge freely available to them. How does stemez.com allow individualized learning?
stemez.com provides thousands of problems with solutions for each subject which are grouped by chapters. The problems are generic, diversified, appropriate for introductory and advanced courses in high schools, science and engineering colleges. Most problems assigned by teachers or on tests and exams are included. Each problem is worked out in step-by-step detail for full understanding of subject. All subjects are available on the internet and the student can learn by solving problems individually.
Okay. Which subjects are covered by stemez.com?
stemez.com covers 13 math subjects including algebra, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, differential equations. The 13 science subjects include physics, chemistry, biology, computer science, economics. The 13 engineering subjects include electrical circuits, electronics, electronic communications, robotics, thermodynamics, and many others. Also included are physics and maths subjects for the IIT Joint Engineering syllabus.
That's quite vast. How do you find solution for a particular problem?
You first click on the subject of interest, which shows the table of contents with the chapters. Next, you click on the chapter of interest, which shows the questions in the chapter. Now you click on the problem similar to the problem you are seeking to see the solution. If your problem does not show in a particular chapter, then try another chapter. Another way of finding problems by keyword is to click on the Find tab. Here the related problems for each keyword are listed with a navigational click.
Got it. Who is the target audience for stemez.com?
Stemez.com is targeted to high school, community college, science and engineering college students for class preparation, completing home assignments and tutoring. It is a ready resource for students of online education sites such as Khan Academy, Coursera, edX, Joint Entrance Examination. GE subjects are designed for the IIT GE syllabus and useful for tutoring and coaching students preparing for the IIT GE exams.
Can the stemez.com subjects be downloaded?
All subjects at stemez.com are available at no cost through the internet using your laptop, tablet or smartphone. Subjects for GE preparation can be downloaded to your laptop or tablet so that they are available for study when the internet facility is not available. Preloaded tablets can be purchased in the future if downloading of some subject with 300 megabyte file size is not practical.
That's amazing. What are the benefits of stemez.com?
Stemez.com is a free resource for students, parents and teachers for learning and teaching STEM subjects. By downloading GE subjects, students can study for the IIT GE exam in the school bus while traveling to the school or college. In this way, students can obtain 2 hours of extra study time every day. Students can study any subject, anytime, anywhere at their own convenience. stemez.com can be your private tutor and coach for individualized learning.
This is very interesting. Are there any studies showing effectiveness of learning by solving problems?
A study was conducted to evaluate the effectiveness of learning by solving problems. A class was divided into 2 groups. One group was taught the traditional way with class lectures only. The other group attended class lectures and solved problems with home assignments. In the final exams, the second group did better than the first group, indicating the effectiveness of learning by solving problems. Details of the study and results can be found in the blog at stemez.com.
How do you access the resources at stemez.com?
Stemez.com is designed to be as open as possible, with all content accessible without the need to register or log in at the website. The site is user-friendly and easy to use, with 10,000 hyperlinks per subject for easy navigation on the go.
So don't wait any longer. Go to stemez.com and check out any subjects of your interest. stemez.com will be your reference resource, tutor and coaching guide for a lifelong STEM career. Thank you for your attention.